Welcome to your dream home in the mountains of El Retiro, where modern luxury meets natural beauty in this brand new construction. Ready to be occupied by a lovely family. Situated in a very exclusive gated community, this stunning home offers unparalleled tranquility and security, surrounded by lush green landscapes as far as the eye can see. Step inside to discover an elegantly designed single-level home that boasts 3 spacious bedrooms, each with breathtaking views of the verdant mountains. The perfect retreat for relaxation and rest. Each bedroom is thoughtfully designed, featuring large windows that frame the stunning natural scenery. Imagine waking up every morning to the serene sight of rolling green hills right outside your window. The master bedroom includes a luxurious bathroom and a generous walk-in closet, offering both comfort and convenience. The bathroom is equipped with modern fixtures and a soothing ambience, making it a perfect place to unwind. This home is designed for both indoor and outdoor living, with 2 expansive terraces that provide the ideal setting for enjoying peaceful afternoons and entertaining family and friends. Whether it's a quiet cup of coffee in the morning or a lively dinner party in the evening, these terraces are the perfect spots to soak in the beauty of your surroundings. The open-plan kitchen is both stylish and functional, featuring top-of-the-line appliances and ample counter space, making meal preparation a delight. The adjacent dining and living areas are spacious and welcoming, creating a seamless flow for everyday living and special gatherings. This extraordinary home in El Retiro is more than just a place to live. It's a sanctuary where your family can grow and thrive amidst the beauty of nature. With its unparalleled views, modern amenities, and serene setting, this property is truly a gem. Don't miss the opportunity to make this dream home your reality. Contact us today to schedule a private tour and experience the magic of mountain living in El Retiro.